Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can download files on Mega from personal computer, and it will be a step-by-step video for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, how you can upload or download files from Mega. So you just need to create an account. Once you create an account, then you will get 20 GB free by Mega, and when you complete, you just need to select your file. Once you select this one, then you just need to click on three dot, and here you can see we have couple of options for share, open, and many more. If you don't want this download option, then just go and select this one and then click on your mouse right button, and then here you will actually find out these download options. But even if you want to download any file individually, you just need to double tap the folder. You will be entered into the next stage, and where you can easily download your file like this way. Just click on download as a zip if you want to, or if you want to download as a normal, you can go with standard download. So this is the easiest way to download any file through this Mega. So if you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic, and this is the eventual phrase that I hope you understand it.